this space to myself this month. I recently learned how to make crepes. They taste delicious, and I have this chance to show you because I have a kitchen. Look at this wonderful kitchen. So beautiful. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get our ingredients. I have eggs, flour, a fork, spatula, a bowl, cup. This is a measuring cup. I think this is 1/3 of a cup or half a cup. I don't know. So, flour. So that's about a cup of flour. Egg. 1 egg. Should I film this? This is way more interesting than me looking at it. Oh gosh. Okay, better angle. 1 egg. 2 egg. Then you want a little bit of butter. This is really hard, so I'm just gonna put it in here. You want about 3 tablespoons of butter. Looks good. Then you want to keep the stick of butter to the side to use for your pan. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave. I have 2 eggs and flour. Great so far. Butter is done. Sizzling, probably too hot, but I'm gonna dump that in. Gonna mix our concoction together just a little bit, because while you mix it for that first time, you think about what ingredients you forgot. So I'm gonna grab some sugar. A little bit of brown sugar, not very much, just like a tablespoon. Oh, or a little bit more than a tablespoon. Okay. A little bit of brown sugar. You mix it together. And that's the tasty components of this. The rest, water. I would add vanilla, but I don't have any vanilla. We just like match the amount of flour with water. So like a cup or a bit more than a cup. Also, a lot of people use milk. I don't have any milk. They taste good still. Mix it. Yeah, right now this is chunky. A lot of people have hand mixers. If you have one, go ahead and do that. That's nice for you. In this case, I'm just gonna stir it for a very extra long time. Oh, there's probably salt in this too. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. So just like a tablespoon of salt. Wow, so simple. That's great. So that is stirred officially. This is the consistency. You see it? It's pretty liquidy, like water. Not exactly like water. And now I'm gonna show you guys the pan because we're gonna fry these so fast, so quick. This is just like a cup of flour and some water. And those other ingredients I mentioned. So simple. So we're doing this on a medium heat. You just fill up the pan. And then before it gets too hot, you want to spread it all around. Make it real thin. You can pick it up to check it if you're not sure. And it's getting there, so you want it to be golden brown. It was lightly browned a little bit. Leave it on for 1 more minute. You can also see everything that's like, that you did not mix in properly. So it reveals all the secrets. The fun way is to flip it like this. Lightly browned. Let me cook that side for a minute. And we do it 1,000,000 times. try to make the biggest one. Okay, you gotta be quick for that part because once the pan heats up. So I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but you're waiting for the top of the crepe to be not glossy. So right now you can see it's a little bit glossy, but it's getting very matte. Once it's completely matte, that's when you can flip it. I like mine to be a little bit cooked, overcooked. I like them a little bit golden brown. Does it really make a difference? It's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this one. Oh, that one was a heavy one. Oh, and look, golden brown already. Big, oh, too big, guys. Mayday. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Oh no, can we pour it back? We might have to. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it seems good enough. So snug. Oops. Not like that. Like this. Slowly. So then you just chop it up. Coffee. Meow.
Cat.
Meow. But I can jump the furthest of all the feline species.
Jaguar?
And I love the winter.
And lynx?
No, you're getting there.
Bobcat?
I have a short, yes. Okay. Black and white bird in the Arctic.
A penguin.
Yes. The fastest wing speed of all the birds.
A hummingbird?
Yes. A plague of these
locusts.
Yes. A small horse.
Pony.
Yes. I don't know this one. Okay,
skip
it. Sugar glider. Yeah, skip it. Skip it harder. Okay, I live
crabs?
in Ontario. No, I'm so
lobsters.
I have a big old shell.
Snapping turtles.
Yes. I kiss me and I'm a prince.
Frog.
Oh, no, it was a toad.
Oh.
Whatever. You're right, I think it is a frog.